Tonight, RFK Jr. on the Hill, Donald Trump's pick to run the Department of Health and Human Services, and what RFK Jr. said today about the polio vaccine. Mary Bruce up on the Hill again tonight.
Mr. Kennedy,
Tonight, one of President-elect Donald Trump's most controversial cabinet picks, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., arriving on Capitol Hill to try and win over the Republican senators who will be key to his confirmation to lead the Department of Health and Human Services.
Mr. Kennedy, do you stand by your comments that vaccines are linked to autism?
Kennedy now forced to defend himself after spending years spreading false theories about vaccines.
There's no vaccine that is, safe and effective.
But most of the vaccines used today have been used safely for decades, credited with saving lives and even eliminating some diseases. Today, Trump was asked what his message is to parents worried Kennedy's views on vaccines will make their kids less safe.
I think he's going to be much less radical than you would think. I think he's got a very open mind, or I wouldn't have put him there. He's going to be very much less radical.
But Kennedy's views facing fresh scrutiny amid reports his personal attorney, who has been helping to interview candidates for top health jobs in the Trump administration, petitioned the FDA to revoke multiple vaccines, including one for polio. Republican leader Mitch McConnell, a polio survivor, issuing a blunt warning, saying efforts to undermine public confidence in proven cures are not just uninformed, they're dangerous. Anyone seeking the Senate's consent to serve in the incoming administration would do well to steer clear of even the appearance of association with such efforts. Kennedy himself has suggested without evidence that the polio vaccine could have potentially deadly side effects.
So if you say to me that the polio vaccine was effective against polio, I'm going to say yes. And if you say to me, did it kill more people, did it cause more deaths than avert, I would say, I don't know, because we don't have the data on that.
But the CDC is clear. The polio vaccine does not cause serious health problems and has saved 1.5 million lives. Today, Kennedy now telling me he's all for the polio vaccine.
Mr. Kennedy, do you believe in the polio vaccine? What do you say to Americans who are worried you're going to take away their vaccines, Mr. Kennedy?
The polio vaccine revoked.
You're all for it?
What about
at Mar-a-Lago, Trump pressed by our Selena Wang.
Thanks, President Trump. What about the polio vaccine?
Well, I'm a big believer in it, and I think everything should be looked at, but I'm a big believer in the polio vaccine.